Are you looking for the best electric chainsaws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best electric chainsaws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Greenworks GS181-82V18 chainsaw. The chainsaw that made us rethink owning a gas saw. The Greenworks 18-inch bar GS181 $520 can handle any task a prosumer still can, from felling mature ash and maple to bucking up the log. We used it to fell and cut 4 cords of firewood and never missed our gas saw. Greenworks GS181 has the power and torque of a 50cc gas engine with a more reliable, efficient, and economical brushless electric motor. It runs on a 4Ah82V battery, the biggest battery of the saws on this list. The battery has exceptional life. Greenworks optimized it for performance in the tool as well as efficient charging. It's Bluetooth enabled, so we could register it and track its performance. With Bluetooth, we always know which battery is the oldest. And when we loaned one to a neighbor, Bluetooth reminded us to get it back. The GS181's motor provided instant high torque, zero maintenance, and zero exhaust cutting with decreased vibration and noise. We used this saw's predecessor for 2 years, and while it was a fantastic second saw, it didn't have the power to fell the largest trees. The thinner blade felt too delicate to fell big hardwoods. This tough, powerful big brother crushed any tree felling, trimming, or log sawing project we threw its way, including forestry work. To operate this saw, we filled the clear oil reservoir with chain oil. Because the reservoir is translucent, it was easy to monitor chain oil levels on the fly. That's important because, unlike a gas saw, we didn't need to refill the oil. On gas saws, we typically refuel and refill the oil at the same time. The saw's automatic oiler applied oil to the bar and chain as needed to ensure durability and smooth functioning. When we were ready to saw, we pressed the power button above the handle and were ready to go. To start the chain spinning, release the lock on top of the saw, pull the trigger, and the saw comes to life. Your upper hand is protected by a chain brake that stops the saw instantly when engaged. Releasing the trigger also stops the blade. The saw's battery status and remaining charge were indicated by LED lights on the 400Ah battery. It can also be run with Greenworks 250Ah and 500Ah batteries, and Bluetooth batteries are not required. When the chain brake was engaged, a caution light flashed to let us know. With the saw pressed against a tree, the steel bucking spikes bit in to give leverage and control. The high-quality chain, driven by the powerful battery and motor, ripped through wood with the same power as a gas saw, but with none of the fumes and a whole lot less noise. Made for professional use, this saw has a metal plate protecting the bottom. It adds weight, but it also means we won't ever crack the saw's body. The new plate ruggedizes the saw and makes it feel even more trustworthy. For quick tasks, it's quiet enough that we didn't feel like we needed hearing protection. But this saw is so big and powerful, we wore it anyway. For people who use a chainsaw frequently and depend on it for tasks of all sizes, there's no better saw than the Greenworks 18-inch GS181. It's somewhere between prosumer and professional in design and power. And while it's hefty, it gives the confidence to get any job done. This is the only saw on this list suitable for professional use. Up next in the 4th place is the WEN4041 Max Lithium-ion 16-inch brushless chainsaw. Electric chainsaws are still fairly new to the power tools market, and for those unsure about the jump, a budget option offers a low cost of entry opportunity to see what the fuss is all about. The WEN40V Max Lithium-ion 16-inch brushless chainsaw, $179, doesn't ask a lot and performs on par with many of the saws we've tested to date. As the ideal garden saw, The Wen is more suited to brushing out an overgrown lot than felling trees, but we had no problem using it for that task. The 40-volt battery is about the middle of the pack when it comes to e-saws, and we used the Wen for full days of trail work before it needed to be recharged. Thankfully, Wen knows when to tag in the big guns where it counts, and the 16 Oregon bar is a welcome sight on this saw. While not a burly unit, the lightweight bar is designed to limit kickback, and we had no issues with it overheating when running hard. As with many power tools, it's important to consider the brand and system you'll be investing in. And while Wen does offer up several other 40V lawn and garden tools, the budget brand may not be the tool ecosystem you're looking to go all in on. For those already plugged into a big name battery system, it may be best to spend the extra dough to keep battery cross-compatibility. But if an electric chainsaw is a one-off purchase or the beginning of your power tool collection, the Wen 40V Max Lithium-ion 16-inch brushless chainsaw may be the ticket. It certainly won't take a bite out of your wallet like some other serious saws will. The third product on our list is the DeWalt XR1220V battery chainsaw kit. Small and light enough to carry in a backpack, this DeWalt XR 12-inch saw $279 is our new go-to for trail work. A homestead workhorse, it cut landscaping timbers, cut down a stud wall, limbed trees, and cleaned up winter blowdown. And at under $300, it's a solid budget pick that still gets moderately difficult jobs done. The 12-inch blade saw was light and easy to handle, but it had the safety and convenience features of bigger, more expensive saws. It was the only sub-14-inch saw we tested that had a chain brake. It was self-oiling for continuous use, with a sealed reservoir that kept it from leaking when we carried the saw in a pack. All of the other saws in this class that we tested had manual oiling mechanisms, which were messy and unreliable. The low kickback, 12-inch Oregon bar and chain got the job done, though with a lot more vibration than larger saws. On the bright side, when the chain rattled loose, adjusting it was tool-free. The tool is designed for smaller jobs. It had plastic ridges, not quite spikes. But that wasn't a deal breaker, as most of the time, we used this saw to clear branches, cut down saplings, and trim bridge planks. It could cut down a tree up to 8 or so inches. It just took longer than the larger saws we liked. This saw is part of DeWalt's 20V Max system of tools. The kit includes the Tool Plus, a 5Ah20V Max battery, charger, and a bar cover. Second on our list is the Greenworks 10 brushless pole saw. For most people, a pole saw falls in the N+1 category, as in non-essential. But once you've used this pole saw, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. With a small chainsaw at the end of a 3-piece pole that extends up to 10 feet. This Greenworks 10 brushless pole saw $179 is ideal for maintaining trails and driveways, cleaning up storm damage, pruning fruit and ornamental trees, and getting to broken branches that are higher than you can reach. The saw, which has an automatic chain oiler, is on an angle at the end of the pole. That provides a great angle for sawing overhead tree limbs and helps with precision. The angled head also directs the weight of the saw down for a gravity assist with cuts. The 3-section 10-foot poles gave 11 feet of reach. It twists to adjust. To engage the saw, we pressed on the release and pulled the trigger in the handle at the end of the pole farthest from the saw. That's also where the battery lies, which kept the weight low and acted as ballast to help control the saw overhead. When we cut a limb and it got hung up in the tree, a branch hook at the base of the saw helped us pull it down. We also used the branch hook to hang the saw when alternating between the pole saw and the chainsaw. The 10-inch pole saw ran on the same batteries and used the same charger as the Greenworks GS18182V 18-inch chainsaw. It is a great tool for an ambitious homeowner, but is also capable of handling professional jobs. Finally, The top product on our list is the Power CS1800. Quickly lop up logs for an evening fire, clear trees for a new trail, or simply keep your bushes tamed in the front yard. The Power CS1800 $330 is a lightweight and affordable saw. As one of the lightest e-saws on this list, and with an impressively long battery life, we were able to bring this tool deep into the woods on backcountry trail work and perform endless tasks around the house before having to put it back on to charge. For simple to moderately taxing jobs, this easy-to-use saw will have you questioning why you used gas guzzlers in the first place. This chainsaw is a cinch to use right out of the box, and the battery charges up lightning fast about 30 minutes. Throw in some chain lube, and you're ready to go. While we wish the saw came with a case for an easier carry, we schlepped this to some remote areas for trail work. And for the power it brings, we were shocked at how easy it is to handle. Its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers 6,800 revolutions per minute with the power to cut through moderately large trees or branches. And the 56V5Ah battery keeps it humming along for hours. The 16-inch bar is just about perfect for most trail building and home maintenance tasks we encounter. And the tool-free chain adjustment means we can quickly and easily make tweaks without disrupting our workflow. This isn't the beefiest or most powerful saw on the market, but we were pleasantly surprised by how fast it slices through moderately large branches and how long the battery lasts while on remote jobs. While testing, a few cons did surface. Namely, the plastic bucking spikes aren't very prominent or sharp, and don't bite into large logs, well meaning you don't get the most effective pivot point to work with for large diameter cuts. Since we generally use this for smaller logs and branches, this isn't much of an issue, but was noticeable on a couple of occasions. Additionally, it has a pretty slow wind-up time, which isn't a deal-breaker, but does slow down workflow a bit. These slight quibbles aside, the Power CS1800 is a budget-friendly, lightweight, and powerful e-chainsaw that is capable of handling most tasks you'll encounter around the house or while maintaining a trail. It doesn't quite stack up to some of the larger, longer saws we tested, but it performs well enough and keeps your wallet happy in the process. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.